Hey everyone, welcome back to Cryptomania. I'm Josh, and today we've got some groundbreaking news for the XRP community that could reshape the future of this digital asset. If you're an XRP holder, or just a fan of crypto innovation, you do not want to miss this update. Let's dive right in. The US Securities and Exchange Commission has officially approved the ProShares Trust XRP ETF, with its public launch scheduled for April 30th, 2025. This is a monumental milestone for XRP, as it opens the doors for institutional and retail investors to gain direct exposure to XRP through regulated exchange-traded products. This regulatory green light follows months of speculation and comes at a pivotal moment as the broader crypto market seeks further legitimization in traditional finance. So what does this mean for the XRP landscape? Historically, ETF launches for major cryptocurrencies have driven significant inflows from both individual and institutional investors. We saw this firsthand with Bitcoin and Ethereum. ETF approval resulted in major price moves, increased liquidity, and a massive surge in market activity. With XRP now following suit, anticipation is running high that we could witness similar phenomena in the days and weeks ahead. Already, the XRP price has shown some early signs of excitement. Following the news, XRP's price jumped from $0.52 to $0.59 within 24 hours. Which is a sizable uptick given current market conditions. It's worth mentioning that Binance also reported a staggering 40% increase in XRP perpetual futures open interest, now reaching $850 million. This signals a surge in leveraged positions and suggests traders are gearing up for potential big moves post-ETF launch. Now, setting aside short-term price pumps, what kind of ripple effects can we expect from this ETF approval? First, the introduction of a spot ETF will dramatically improve liquidity and price discovery for XRP. This allows larger market players to confidently enter and exit the market without dramatically impacting prices. It also provides new trading opportunities not just in spot markets, but also in derivatives, as we're already seeing with the spike in futures open interest. The ETF is also expected to create a feedback loop where increased demand leads to more attention, which in turn draws further institutional and mainstream investor interest. ETF launches in the past have often been catalysts for higher price volatility, as demand spikes and then finds equilibrium. So don't be surprised to see wider price swings on both sides as the market adjusts. For active traders, this is a potential goldmine of trading opportunities. But the ETF isn't the only bullish catalyst in play for XRP right now. Ripple's president Monica Long just confirmed product updates and substantial integrations involving the $1.25 billion Hidden Road acquisition. This signals Ripple's intent to push XRP and their RLUSD stablecoin even deeper into enterprise usage, especially around international settlements and cross-border payments. With more financial institutions gearing up to use the XRP ledger, including major moves in Asia and new custody partnerships in South Korea, it's clear that XRP's adoption story is just beginning. Technically, XRP's price action has been consolidating above the 2.15 support level, battling resistance at 2.22. Analysts believe that a strong break above this mark could set the stage for a rally toward $2.50, and potentially even $2.74 if bullish momentum continues. Meanwhile, traders are closely watching key market indicators, as the relative strength index remains healthy and XRP continues to hover above its 100-day EMA. New product launches, upcoming XRP futures contracts, especially the CME Group launch in May, and bullish technical setups spell opportunity ahead. However, don't forget about market volatility and the usual risks involved. Remember, ETF news can create both upward surges and sharp corrections. So as always, trade wisely and manage your risk accordingly. To sum it all up, the SEC's approval of the ProShares Trust XRP ETF is a huge win for XRP's credibility and accessibility, potentially turbocharging both liquidity and investor participation. Combined with Ripple's aggressive enterprise adoption plans, XRP's next chapter could be its most exciting yet. That's all for today's breaking update. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button and subscribe to Cryptomania for more daily updates on XRP and the crypto markets. Share this news with your fellow XRP holders and turn on notifications so you never miss another upload. I'm Josh, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay bullish.